So let us see what is section formula. The coordinates of the point P of xy, which divides the line segment joining the points A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and the y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 and m2 are the ratio given in the question. x2 will be the coordinate of B, x1 will be the x coordinate of A, y2 will be the y coordinate of B, y1 will be the y coordinate of A. So, the coordinates of the point P x, y will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Students, this coordinate formula you should study it by heart. Now, let us see a special case in this formula. What happens if the point P is exactly at the center of the line? Such formula is known as the midpoint formula. What happens to m1 is to m2 if the point is exactly at the center? m1 is to m2 will be 1 is to 1. If the point P is exactly at the center of the line segment AB, m1 is to m2 will be 1 is to 1. So, m1 and m2 will disappear from the section formula. The midpoint between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2 and y2 plus y1 by 2. So, the midpoint formula and the section formula will give you a chance to find the coordinates of the point P which divides a line segment AB in the given ratio. Now, let us see how to solve the problems related to section formula and midpoint formula. First question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Here, the first thing you have to do is fix which is x1, y1 and x2, y2. So, you can see I have written the x1, y1, x2, y2 values which I have taken in the question. This will avoid the confusion or mistake by chance. So, first you should write the formula which you are using in the question. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Similarly, the y coordinate of the point P will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute the given values in the section formula. You will get the x coordinate as 1 and y coordinate as 3. Once again, this is a direct question related to section formula. Here you have point A as -1, 7 and we took B as 4, -3. I have taken A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. You should write the section formula for x coordinate and the section formula for y coordinate. X is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Without making any careless mistakes, substitute the values in this formula and you'll get the x coordinate as 1 and y coordinate as 3. And at last, you should write that the coordinates of the point are 1, 3. We'll go to the next question. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Students, for your kind information, this is very important. That is point of trisection. What is point of trisection? Two points which divides a line into three equal parts is known as points of intersection. Here you can see that I have drawn a line segment AB and I have marked PQ at equal distance from A and B. Now these 2 points P and Q divides the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. That means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. This measurement will be equal to PQ. PQ's measurement will be equal to QB's measurement. Now, if I say all are 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. The distance between A and P is 1 centimeter. What will be the distance between P and B? It will be 2 centimeter, isn't it? So the ratio by which the point P divides AB is 1:2, isn't it? Now let us consider the point Q. What happens to point Q? Here this distance will be 2 centimeter and QB will be 1 centimeter. So what is the ratio in which the point Q divides the line segment AB? It is 2:1. This should remain in your mind. That is, if you are taking the points of trisection, the first point divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and the second point divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1. Students, that is very important. When you hear the word point of trisection, this should come to your mind. If it is asked point of trisection in the question, it will not be mentioned that it is 1:2 and 2:1. That is, you should bring it from your knowledge. I hope you understood that. Let's see how to solve this problem. Now, P of xy and Q of xy. P of xy, the point P divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. So M1 is 1, M2 is 2. What is the point of A and B? A is 4 minus 1, B was -2 -3. I have substituted the values here and I got the coordinates of point P as 2, -5/3. Similarly, what is the ratio in which the point Q divides the line segment AB? 2:1. That is, M1 is 2 and M2 is 1. Substituting the values in this formula, you will get the coordinates of Q as 0, -7/3. At last, you should write the statement as the coordinates of the point of trisection are 2, minus 5 by 3 and 0, minus 7 by 3. So what did you understand from this? If you are asked to find the point of trisection, you will have 2 different points as the answer. I hope the concept is very clear now.